Paano nga ba ninyo i-manage ang inyong credit card para hindi kayo malubog sa utang? Today guys, I have my own routine para maging stay on top ako sa aking finances, especially sa pagsaswipe ko ng aking credit card. So if that is the kind of topic or the kind of content that you are looking for, then you are in the right channel. If you're new here, my name is Val and my channel is all about my financial journey and where I share my own personal experience, tips, and as well as something that can be beneficial for you in achieving your own financial goals. I do share here my budget weekly, bi-weekly budget guys. I also share my savings goal and I share my struggles in the budgeting. Di na ba naman hindi mag-struggle, di ba? Tayo naman lang na talagang hindi pa masyadong financially stable. So if that is the kind of topic that you are looking for, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so every time I will be uploading new financial videos, you will get notified. I will tell you what I do for my credit card routine. First is that I go to the app where I'm actually swiping my transactions. So in this part, you all know that I have my Union Bank account. So with the Union Bank account, guys, makikita mo talaga sa app nila kung ano yung mga pinagsaswipe mo dyan. So I have list down in a piece of paper to track down what I have swiped and what category from my cash envelope I should be taking out that money. Once I have already listed, I will go over with if those are actually a valid transaction. Because one, there are times that probably someone might be using your credit card and you have to be well aware of that. Thank God kasi hindi naman siya nangyari sa akin. Like I have an unknown transaction in my credit card and hopefully it will not happen to me. But before kasi guys, with the Union customer service, they're very proactive. I can highly recommend their customer service kasi ganda yung quality ng kanilang service. You will receive an immediate response. That's first. And then second, yung mga customer service nila, the way they handle the service is 100%. But now that it got merged to the Citibank, actually nagiging mababa na yung quality nila, matagal na yung response nila, and I don't know, talaga yung merging is not good. For me as a customer, guys, I can really see a big difference what was the Union Bank before and what is Union Bank now. So enough with the Union Bank credit card, guys. So right after I list down all of my transactions, I now go ahead and validate. After the validation, I go ahead and pay it, crash out on the paper. So in that way, I'm already staying on top of what I have swiped. So whatever remains in my envelope, that means that is all the money I have. Now, once I decided to swipe again my credit card, I would always ask myself, do I have enough money in my envelope to pay this amount? So let's say I wanted to use this to buy in the Jollibee. So I would ask, do I still have an allowance or do I still have money in my envelope to pay this Jollibee? And if what I can recall is not, then I'm not gonna swipe it. I'm not gonna buy it. But if the answer is still yes, I have the money. So go ahead and swipe it, pay it. At the end of the day, I have to pay it. Hindi nga lang siya everyday na binabayaran ko, but I do have a routine that I have to go over with my list and double check and pay for it. So I forgot, I'm not sure anong tip na ba ito, but always pay your credit card statement not beyond on your due date, or hindi siya dapat on your due date. I usually pay my credit card the first week of the month. So with your billing cycle, guys, di ba 1 month yan? So the end of the billing cycle would be on August, let's say August 3rd, my upcoming one. The bill will come in around the 5th of the month. But yung due date dyan is gonna be 21 days after, I think, the end of my billing cycle, so let's say mga around August 26, I don't normally pay the 26th of the month. I pay on the first week of the month. Why? Because one, I don't have any balance. I do have the envelope. I have already compiled all the payments that I collected for the amount that I swiped. So that's the one. Second, it will build my credit score. The moment that you pay your credit card on time, the moment that the system acknowledge or knew that you are paying ahead of the time of your due date, that's when they know that you are a good payer. And with that, that is the secret in increasing your credit score. That's my goal. I wanted to increase my credit score, guys, because mabango tayo sa mga bangko pag ganyan tayo eh. So by the time that I can afford to like loan a car if I want to, or loan a house if I needed to, mabango na ako sa aking mga bangko kung saan yung credit card ko at saka yung mga sinisave ko na money nandoon. So it will be easy for me to apply. That's one. They will go after for me for the loan because they earn from the interest, diba? But the moment that I do that, siguro by the time na mangyayari yon, yung mga bangko na yan, they will go after me, offer me with a lower loan interest rates. Kasi they will mismatch yung mga other offers. Eh, ganun talaga yun sa bangko, as far as I know. Alright, well, I'm not promoting here na umutang kayo now or umutang kayo mag-loan, guys, because you know, there's a good with loan. There's also a bad thing about loan, but it actually depends on how you handle your finances. So that's why people would ask me sometimes with my friends and family why I'm not getting a house, a condo, where in fact now I can afford it. Well, looking at my finances, I truly can say I cannot. You need to be ready on that. You have a lot of things to consider or a lot of checklists before you do that. Because one, you need to have emergency funds. Second, there's actually like a formula according to Sir Chinkitan. Before you go for a loan for a house, you have to be well ready, prepared financially na kapag wala ka ng income or your one income goes out, you have a backup plan or you have a backup loan. But that's a different topic na, guys. So we're not going to go over with that. Let me just go ahead and discuss what's in my savings. So I added 2,100 for my 1 month ahead. So the starting balance for that is actually 24,450. The tuition fee, guys, starting balance is 23,100 and I added 8,000. So that's my running 31,100. I have medical funds which I added 3,000 and that's running 8,500. For the birthday funds, wala. Holiday, we have 2K. And summing it up, everything with amounting of my sinking funds 72,950. So it's just not bad, right? 72,950 and my sinking funds is a large amount of money. My emergency funds is running 102,300. I'm done with my monthly savings planner, guys. I have already updated the emergency funds 1 month ahead, tuition, medical, birthday, holiday funds. So, ang aking utang is only the cell phone, which is the monthly debt tracker, and my only balance is 15,800. If I want to, I can just crush it out, pay it in a full amount if I really wanted to, but I still wanted to continue on a monthly basis because I have already fixed my expenses, and even though I have an extra amount, I wanted to put it up to the savings challenges or what I have the sinking funds. I wanted to fully funded them. I wanted to save up and complete my tuition fee. The tuition fee, guys, I budgeted at 30,000, but with the San Carlos, I guess it's gonna be more than of that. I am budgeting probably around 40,000 plus, so I have to save up more on that, more than 30, para I can like fully cash out the tuition fee because I get 10% discount if I'm going to fully pay on that.
Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to use since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video.
So my main focus, guys, for my savings challenges right now is to save up for the tuition fee. All I really wanted is to save up para yun nga yung technique ko. I was supposed to save up the whole 1 year tuition fee for my student, for my high school, para hindi na talaga ako ano mang tawag dito, para hindi ako masyadong mas stress in paying the tuition fee. I have the backup already. I have already set aside the money. I have already saved up for that, diba? So, I'm not sure for you guys because sino nag-elementary yung yung oldest ko, I'm not paying any tuition fees. So from that time around, like I think I started saving up on December last year for his tuition fee, and because of that, I was able to save up because of like wala akong binabayang tuition fee for his elementary. That's why I was able to save up for his high school tuition fees, which is an exclusive school. So I still keep praying for God, Lord God, please provide, because I'm not sure I couldn't do it without you. I'm still keep praying, guys, because I know it's gonna be challenging for me doing this all alone to me, guys. Yeah. So if you also wanted to like send if you have a dream school, if meron kang dream school for your kids, because we all know that as a mom, we all wish or we all wanted to have a better education for your student. So to me, ambisyosa kasi ako. I wanted to work it out. I wanted to work hard para mas maka-provide ako ng better future for my kids. So, yeah. So, yun na nga. I'm dreaming of this. I wanted this. And I just hope na si Lord God, hindi niya ako pababayaan, guys. I hope that He will guide me. He will provide me. He's always there for me. And, yun. Always pray lang tayo, guys. Yun yung one of the most powerful tip ko is to always pray and never doubt God. So, I think that's it for my content for today. I don't have anything to say much. So, probably yung next content natin, it's about the cash stuffing for the first paycheck of August. I still cannot say that that's gonna be my fixed income for the new rate or for the new pay grade. We'll just have to, for the next 6 months, see if that's really my income. Kasi when I look at the payslip, kasi yung payslip, mas maaga siyang dumating. Since maaga siyang dumating, I was able to see how much I've earned. And because of that, I've earned so much, and I couldn't say that that is the fixed amount that I'm receiving every month. I hope that it is, but I'm not sure. Maybe there's a discrepancy and I don't want to have a big hope. So yun lang. I do hope that you like this video, guys, and if you do, please go ahead and like this, subscribe to my channel, and of course share it to your friends and family who need it the most, because the more that you share, the more that you like this content, guys, YouTube will eventually share the algorithm to most of the people like you who needed to see this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on our next one. Thank you. Bye.